Let me tell you something that most trading courses will never say out loud. The reason most traders fail has almost nothing to do with their strategy. It's not indicators, it's not charts, it's not the market, it's their mindset. Two traders can take the exact same trade, the same entry, the same stop, the same chart. One makes money, the other loses. And the difference usually isn't intelligence. It's discipline, preparation, and emotional control. Today, I want to talk about 3 things that actually separate profitable traders from everyone else: mindset, discipline, and routine. And later in this video, I'm going to show you the daily routine that completely changed how I approach trading. Most traders skip this step entirely, and it's one of the biggest reasons they stay inconsistent. Now, here's something interesting. Most people believe that if they just find the right strategy, everything will click. But after years of trading and working with thousands of traders, I can tell you something with certainty. Strategy is rarely the real problem. The real problem is structure, the way traders think, the way they prepare, the way they handle losses. Let me give you a quick example. I once spoke with someone who had been studying trading for 5 years. They watched every video, read every book, listened to every podcast, but they never actually started. And one day they told me something that stuck with me. They said, "I wish I started earlier." 5 years had already passed, whether they started or not. That's when something really clicked for me. Most people don't fail because the opportunity isn't there. They fail because they never commit to the process. Because trading success isn't about finding the perfect trade. It's about becoming the type of person who can execute one. Before we go any further, I'm actually curious about something. If you're watching this right now, comment below and tell me one thing. What do you think is the hardest part about trading? Is it the strategy, the discipline, or the psychology? I read a lot of comments on these videos, and it's always interesting to see where people struggle the most. Before we talk about trading itself, I want to zoom out for a moment. When people talk about their dreams, most of the time it's just that. A dream, something they fantasize about, something they talk about, but something they rarely commit to. Fear keeps most people stuck. They start thinking things like, what if this doesn't work? What if the odds are too small? What if I fail? But here's something most people don't realize. The path to almost anything you want to become already exists. If someone wants to become a doctor, the steps are known. You get good grades, you apply to schools, you go through training, pass the exams. In less than 2 minutes, you can outline the roadmap to something millions of people aspire to. The path exists. The challenge is walking it. Most people stop before they even begin because they focus on uncertainty instead of action. But here's the reality. The time will pass anyway. 3 years will pass, 5 years will pass, whether you pursue something meaningful or not. So you might as well spend that time building something that matters. Possibility versus probability. People confuse possibility and probability. Anything is possible, but probability changes depending on action. Every step you take increases the likelihood of success. Studying charts, learning risk management, building routines, tracking trades. Each of these actions improves your probability. Most people stay stuck thinking about the outcome instead of building the process. But execution is what builds skill. Not thinking, not planning, execution. One of the biggest mindset shifts a trader can make is changing their identity. How you see yourself determines how you behave. If you see yourself as someone trying to make money quickly, your behavior becomes emotional. You chase trades, you size too big, you panic when trades move against you. But if you see yourself as a professional risk manager, everything changes. You focus on protecting capital, you focus on probabilities, you focus on executing a system. The average trader ties their confidence to their P&L. A green day means confidence, red day means doubt. But professional traders separate identity from results. They judge themselves based on execution. Did I follow my plan? Did I respect my risk? Did I stay patient? And that shift, it changes everything. The biggest battle in trading isn't you versus the market. It's you versus your own mind. Every single day you step into an environment that tests your psychology. Fear tells you you exit early. Greed tells you you size bigger, and FOMO tells you to chase. Revenge trading tells you to make your losses back immediately. These emotions never disappear. Winning traders simply learn to coexist with them. Think of emotions like passengers in a car. They can sit in the passenger seat, but they cannot drive. When emotions drive decisions, you're gambling. When structure drives decisions, you're trading. Most traders chase perfection, the perfect entries, perfect exits, perfect win rates. But markets don't reward perfection. Markets reward process. You can do everything right and still lose a trade. That's normal. But the question after every trade should be simple. Did I execute my process? Because trading success happens across hundreds of trades, not one. Discipline is not something you're born with. It's something you build. Every time you follow your trading plan, you strengthen discipline. Every time you break your rules, you weaken it. Discipline's like a muscle. You build it through repetition, respecting stops, avoiding impulsive trades, logging your trades, following your system. Your account balance often reflects your discipline more than your strategy. And now I want to talk about something that completely changed how I approach trading. This is something that most professional traders do every day, but beginners skip it. And skipping this step is one of the biggest reasons traders stay inconsistent. It's routine. Mindset and discipline need structure. That structure comes from routine. The way you start your day determines how you trade. If you wake up rushed, scrolling social media, reacting to random opinions, you're already starting the day from chaos, and trading punishes chaos. Professional traders prepare before the market opens. So first, I look at futures. What happened overnight? Was there a trend? Was there consolidation? Then I look at the economic events, CPI, Fed meetings, earnings. Then I will mark levels. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low, overnight highs and lows. And then I will identify the major and support resistance for that day. Keep your charts clean. 3 to 5 meaningful levels is enough. Clarity will lead to confidence. And then I will build a watch list, usually 3 to 4 stocks. Define the triggers. Above a level with strength, take calls. Rejecting a level, take puts. Between levels, no trade. Professionals trade triggers. Amateurs, they chase the movement. After the market closes, the real improvement begins. You have to review your trades. Did you follow the plan? Did you respect risk? Journal the setups and document the execution. Your journal is your mirror. It shows your patterns you can actually improve on. And Sunday is the day I reset. Sunday is where professionals prepare. Clean your workspace. Review the previous week. Study higher time frame charts. And ask yourself, is the market trending? Is it consolidating? And where are the major liquidity zones? Great traders do not predict, they prepare. Now imagine where you could be 3 years from now. More disciplined, more confident, more consistent, or still thinking about starting. Either way, 3 years will pass. The time will pass anyway, so you might as well spend it building something meaningful. Trading success is built on 3 pillars: mindset, discipline, and routine. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. Because one good trade might change your month, but one disciplined routine can change your entire future.